Today I'm going to show you how to make peanut butter cookies using 3 ingredients. You will need 250 grams of peanut butter, either crunchy or smooth, 150 grams of caster sugar and 1 egg. To a bowl add your sugar and your peanut butter and mix until really well combined. Then add the egg and mix in until really well combined, and you should have a really thick dough. Then using a spoon a ball of dough, roll it with your hands to make a ball, then pop it on a baking tray, making sure that you leave enough space in between each cookie to allow them to expand. The mixture should make between 10 and 12 cookies. Then pop this in a preheated oven at gas mark 4, 180 degrees centigrade or 160 fan assisted for 15 to 18 minutes until golden on top. And there you have it. That's how you make peanut butter cookies only using 3 ingredients.